I didn't do it on the driveway.
No, you can't do it on the floor. What are you doing on the driveway? Now let's walk
Go that
and
way.
lean backwards.
And you can hold on to it.
Go.
This is a break.
Yep.
It's okay, keep going. Healy boy, Healy.
I'm healing.
How are you? So you're walking. Yeah, lean back more. Now turn around, start walking towards me. Let go of the counter, start walking towards me, and then lean back.
But not a lot.
Yeah, just a little bit. Alright, now lean backwards.
Honey, hold on. Whoa, see that?
Yeah.
I'm healing.
Oh, is that what that is?
Hi.
Good job.
I'm gonna spin it. See?
Here. Here, on my hands. Now lean back. Lean your feet back, okay?
All right. Woo.
Okay, now just hold one hand. No, don't hold the counter, just hold me. Alright, now just walk like normal. Don't try to heel it, just walk. See what?
That's this.
What? Watch what? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Right here. Put your feet closer together. You ready?
It's on video.
Ready?
Yeah.
Lean forward.
Yeah.
Okay? Now you have to put your hands out like this. Alright, come back. Come on, come here.
Healy back.
Yeah, heely back to me.
I'll try.
Come on.
Ah!
He can't walk back.
Ah!
Give me your hand. There you go, you're getting it. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Lean back on your heels.
Don't
Ready?
lean his whole body back. That's not
There
the
you
point.
go. Now keep your body forward, your heels back. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Now keep, there you go.
Now you back to you?
Yeah.
Ah. I'm done practice. See that?
I did see that.
What was that?
Helium.
I just found it.
Yeah, actually look like you're tap dancing. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that?
Did you hit your mouth?
No.
Is that how other people healy? Keep your hands like this. There you go. You don't got to keep it up under your chin.
Let me see you. Healy to me.
Yeah, healy to Libby.
I'm healing. I'm
Now
healing.
come back to me. Just walk to me. You don't got to healy. Just walk. Okay, now walk to Libby. Let's work on walking. Now walk back to me. Why don't you walk like normal? Walk like normal.
No.
Why?
The window.
Well, walk like you normally walk. Xander, come here, quick, come here, quick.
I healing to you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You felled him is more like it.
Okay, now keep one foot like this in front of the other. That's how the cool kids, no, that's how the cool kids do it. They do it like that.
God.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought you could do that. Alright, heely back.
More like number one cause of a broken leg.
Why are you doing this?